Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. In this episode, we'll replace the water distribution tray in an Air King AK7000 humidifier. To order online, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need a water distribution tray and a flat blade screwdriver. The AK7000 uses an electronic pulse controller to regulate the water supply to the unit. When the humidistat calls for humidity, the solenoid valve will open to disperse water over the entire pad. As air flows over the pad, it picks up moisture and is distributed around your home by your furnace. Over time, calcium and mineral deposits can prevent the pads from completely saturating with water. Before starting the repair, disconnect all power to your humidifier. Next, shut off the water supply. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the cover screw. Now pull off the humidifier cover. Disconnect the water supply tube. Now slide out the pad assembly. Separate the pad and discard the water distribution tray. Place the new distribution tray on top of the pad. Next, slide the pad back into the housing and snap the tabs to lock in place. Now reconnect the water supply line. Replace the cover and then tighten the screw. Next, turn on the water supply. Finally, turn the power back on. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.